Hello YouTube. Today's video will be how to make money online using your phone. In today's video I'll be showing you exactly how I use my mobile phone to make money just by doing nothing. I can constantly make money in my sleep, although it will not be much. Don't be deceived by YouTubers who lie to you. It will not be that much, but this will be able to create spare change that you can use to invest into more money. So, let's get straight into it. The app you will need is Make Money SMS. Now, the app I use is SMS Profit because it's the easiest and fastest. But you should be using all the apps located in the description because this will get you at least up to a solid $8 a week. And I know that's nothing. But if you use this on multiple devices, this can be getting you, if you have 4 mobile phones, 4 times 8 is 32. So this can be getting you $32 extra a week, which will generate you to about roughly $100 extra a month. Therefore, like I said, this is small, but $100 is easy to invest into more incomes. And I'll teach you how if you subscribe below. And if you want to learn how to get more incomes instantly, make sure you go click the link in the description and get my online course. Let's get straight into how this works. How this works is you use your mobile number and know they cannot see your text messages or anything. It's a completely safe app. You can use your mobile number, enter it into the apps, and what they will do is they will send messages of other people to your phone, like verification codes, all of that. You do not have to respond. Please do not respond. You will just simply receive them, and you will get paid like 2 cents per text message, and they might text you about 3 times a day, so that's about 6 cents a day. You start off with 50 cents, and on the other apps you get referral codes, so that's about 50 cents per referral, which means if you refer about 10 people per day, you already know that's five extra dollars a day. We can be getting you up to maybe $50 a week extra, so make sure you take advantage of these extra ways to make money. SMS Profit does not have a referral code, unfortunately, but it is a great way to make passive income while you're sleeping. It's completely passive. This completely does not require any work at all. So you can completely go about your day and make money. If you need any help, please contact me in the description. Make sure you get my course to enable yourself to make more money online. Stay blessed, people.